Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can migrate your Mind Ruby to your wallet. All right. So in my last video, I did a guide on how you can do your KYC, and I just want to show you the update here that my KYC has been approved. Remember, you click on the profile tab. So when you click on it, you see this part that is written user verification. You can see it says verified. So remember in my last video, I showed you how to do this and it didn't take me up to 1 hour. My account was verified. So you want to go and watch that video. It's currently showing on the screen. All right. So you want to go and watch it and just take action. All right. If you are already due for KYC. Okay. So, so don't take too much time. I want to show you how you can move this Mind Ruby token. All right. How you can move it to your wallet. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to click on this part here where we have this icon, okay, that looks like a graph that is going off or like a chart, right? So when you click on it, okay, you can see there's my group. My group here is a place that shows your mining group, those that you have referred. All right, it shows them, and also it shows those that you eventually decide to add to your trust cycle. So for instance, I want to pick this person and add to my trust cycle, then pick another one and add to my trust cycle. So the essence of the trust cycle is that the invitation is going to be sent to the person, and if the person accepts it, they are going to be a member of your trust cycle. So it's going to help you boost or improve on your mining. Okay, so that apart, all right, that's not what we are focusing on, but currently all my members are mining. Now where you want to look at is this place here, statistics. All right, so you click on statistics. Now you can actually see my total earnings. All right, these are my downlines that are also actively mining, and it is adding up for me, right? Now you can also see that for self-exploiting, I currently have 105.29 that I have exploited by my own self, that at 91.84%, and my group has supported me in mining 8.16%, right? I mean, it's really very cool. Okay, but this is where you're not going to click. You're going to click on the user verified. So when you click on the user verified, you're going to see migration. All right, of course there's no migration history, so you click on migration. Now you can see that it says this wallet version is under construction. For security, please do not migrate greater than 100 units. So if you migrate anything above 100 units, you could lose your token in the process. All right, so what I want to do now is that I want to just push this icon to maybe 86 is okay. Then I'm just going to click on apply. Right now when I click on apply, you see it says migrate successful. All right, so now let's go to our wallet. So if I click on the wallet icon, remember the wallet icon is here. Now you have to set your wallet and also ensure that you save your passphrase so that you don't end up losing your hard work, right? So when I click on the wallet, you can see my Ruby is already here, 86, right? So let's go back there and go and claim the remaining. So remember is this part. All right, so I click on it again, come to statistics, and I'm going to click on user verified. All right, and I'll click on migration. Now for the migration, you see I have just 28.47 left, so I'm just going to drag all and I'll click on apply again, and I'll just wait. Okay, now I have applied it, migration successful. So for now I'm done migrating all of my mined Ruby token. So you can see that in my wallet I have 114 Ruby token, which is currently valued at $631. I mean, I don't know how true that is going to be, but there's a lot of hype around this particular project. So guys, this is basically how you can do your migration. Now for the KYC, if you have challenge, you can reach out to me in the comments. I'm going to provide as much support as I can to those who need RBL to do their migration. Okay, So guys, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments or you can drop it in the chat. That's the much that we can take for now. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now.